Hi, it's Bronwyn from Rap, and today I'm going to show you a quick fix to get that warmth, punch, and depth in your mix, as well as give your mix that really high quality, expensive sound. It's all about saturation. There are some incredible free plugins out there on the market, and in today's video, I'm using the Voxengo Tube Amp. There'll be a link at the end of the video where you can get it. I'm working on an absolutely fabulous track called To Be Honest from the 7 Sounds Dark Pop Sample Pack, which is available at RLoops.com. Let's have a quick listen to the track.
I'm crazy. I'm a baby.
Yeah, it's really nice. But I'm going to thicken up and add something special to the backing vocals using saturation. So in the audio plugin world, saturation involves emulating the audio being driven through some analog hardware equipment, which adds some nice harmonic distortion. There are different types of saturation. You get tape, tube, and transistor saturation, and they all have their own unique sonic character. Saturation really just simply enhances the frequencies that are already in a sound. And in this video, I'm using tube saturation on the backing vocals. Now, tube saturation emulates the sound of the audio being driven through tube amps, and it introduces what are known as even order harmonics. So it adds a nice subtle form of compression, but when you push it really hard, it can also have quite a nice aggressive edge. And often tube saturation is described as being warm and musical and punchy. So I'm going to give the vocals a bit of warmth and a bit of weight and fatten them up a bit. I'm going to add them onto the backing vocals. I'm going to first play it without the saturation, and then you'll see me mute and unmute the channel as it's playing. All right, let's have a listen.
I'm crazy. I'm a baby. I'm crazy. I'm a baby.
Wow, that's really lovely. Now, carefully used, saturation can gently compress and tame any of the wild transients. It can also warm up some really harsh sounding vocals. So thanks for watching. I hope you go and have some fun with the Voxengo Tube Amp. And then, of course, don't forget to check out the 7 Sounds Dark Pop Sample Pack available at RLoops.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you again in the next video.
I'm crazy. I'm a baby. I'm crazy. I'm a baby. To be honest, I think about us every day. To be honest, I wanna make things don't sweat. You cry, sweat. It's not love, it's not friendship. It's a session.